Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If it's your first video, by the way, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Returning subs, thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. Guys, you know what, thank you guys so much. Really appreciate, really love you guys. Yeah guys, I'm actually heading to work right now. Forgive the overdress, you don't know anything go. Sometimes you have to just put on a jacket on a cold day. You make it seem as if like you really put like effort into getting dressed, when really and truly all you wanted to do was to just sleep through the entire day and then wake up tomorrow morning, right? But nonetheless guys, you know, we have to go out there, we have to do a thing, we have to hustle, we have to put in the work. Before I go to work though, I just drop off Nuts somewhere. She's just picking up something quickly, bring her, go buy something, and then after work. So these two are in the back while we're waiting on Mom. Yeah guys, so I just thought it was a good idea to just do a little video for you guys, to talk to you guys about Canadian weather. How do you adjust for Canadian weather, guys? What was adjusting to the weather like for me? Was it easy? Was it hard? Was it a walk in the park? What do you guys think? First and foremost, if you guys are watching this video from anywhere in Canada, you guys understand the struggle and know the thing set it rough. Canadian weather is very bipolar. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys looked at when this video is actually published, but it's actually published the middle of April, right? So put that into context, the middle of April. While other cities and other places have their green trees, their grass growing, plant flourishing, their beaches and stuff like that, we still have this to deal with. You understand? We still have this dealing with in April. By the way, this is not uncommon. By the way, this is not anything unique. This is not something that is once in a lifetime. This is not global warming. This is typical. This is typical, especially for Alberta. I'm not sure about other places, but for Alberta, this is typical. All the way through until probably May, and even June, July, you can still get snow. But hopefully, fingers crossed, knock on wood, that we're not getting any snow in June or July, because those are predominantly our summer months. But anything can happen, right? So this is not really uncommon. Coming from a country like Jamaica, adjusting to this bipolarism was a little bit of a challenge, if I'm being very honest, guys. Yeah, you don't know, so in Jamaica we have two seasons, summer and rainy season. And that is just the truth. So if it's either summer, if it's not summer, it's rainy season. And you can pretty much predict some level of predictability when it comes down to what season is next and stuff like that. But here, you can get 4 seasons in one day. You can get 4 seasons in one day, guys. Like you can wake up in the morning, it's bright and sunny. Then spring in the midday, then summer or fall in the afternoon, and then by the time you go to bed, a winter again. By the way, not to come back. Was it difficult to adjust? No, let me ask Nats, because she don't know what I'm talking about, so I'm going to get her honest opinion. Adjusting to the weather. I'm still adjusting. Sorry, it was difficult to adjust to the weather. Once you have on the right gears, you're good. That's it. And what are the right gears? Just for the persons who wants to know what to get. From your toque, your scarf, which I don't really wear, your nice jacket. Not this kind of jacket, by the way. This is like a work jacket. Your winter jacket, your gloves, your boots, have socks on. Very good socks, by the way. Because yo, the snow gets in your shoes, you know, people. When the snow get into your shoes and your foot get wet, it's a whole different level of cold. It's a whole different level of cold. And furthermore, I would like to say that for persons who are watching this video who are a little bit scared of making the move because they're afraid of being cold and stuff like that, let me just say that if nuts can do it, you can do it too, because nuts all in Jamaica in the middle of summer, nuts cold.
Don't tell me like
that. I'm not lying.
Don't tell
so to put that into context, so if she can adjust, you can adjust too. It takes a little while to get used to it in terms of trust me, the constant cold is rough. The constant you know what, like when it snows and it's not cold, it's not that bad. The only part of it is when it's melting and everything becomes slushy and messy and stuff like that. But if it snows and it's not that cold, then it's almost tolerable.
It's just when the wind
chill.
Wind chill. That's it. That's when it's cold.
Yeah, man. But when it get cold, you know, guys, I tell us, yo, it get very, 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 very depressing. When especially yeah, when you have to take like extra 15 or 20 minutes to get ready just to come out of the house, it really and truly puts in a different mood as well. Everybody's grumpy when it's dark, when it's overcast, and everybody's grumpy. When the sun come out, you can see the difference. Exactly. And there's actually a thing that's called cabin fever, and cabin fever is when like persons are just tired of winter conditions. It makes them get depressed and all of that. So cabin fever, it wasn't a term that I was used to prior to coming to Canada, but cabin fever is real. And I can say that even talking from myself, the weather definitely affects my mood as well. It affects, I think, majority of people, or everybody. A lot of persons do different things in order to cope. Some persons get white light in them house to get put them in a good mood. Some persons take tablets, all sorts of different things people do in order to just make it through the winter. Which I totally understand, because it's not necessarily easy. They have a flat tire.
You see it that way, the way it's traveling.
So if you have a flat tire, one or two things. We have not put on a 4-way and then taking time and drive. Or 2, pull over. Because you drive normal right now, like everything alright.
Yeah.
Oh well. Hold on, guys. So that umbrella.
First time I wonder what are the next people I'm look for. Yeah.
Yeah, have a flat. Sucks, especially in this weather. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering, it's actually -4. Whoa. It's actually -4, and they're calling for a snowstorm today. We woke up to a lot of snow. If you guys have been watching the channel, you guys maybe have seen some videos where it looked like we were about to enter into summer. But then winter decided to just give us a brief reminder that, hey, I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. I'm just sticking around a little bit longer. So as I said, it's nothing that we are not used to, because we have been here long enough to know that the weather is very bipolar, and you just have to roll with the punches. Right? You can never don't be prepared for snow in any month of the year in Alberta. Like, we went to Edmonton over the weekend, and it was a crappy weekend in terms of the weather. It was cold, it was snowing, it was raining, it was everything but sunny. And we're like, yeah, just another day in Northern Alberta. We should have expected this and thing. But you know, coming from Jamaica, I'd say after the first real cold snow burst that you get, you slowly start getting climatized. Because I've met people who come here in the middle of winter, -30, -40, -35, who ultimately get climatized. It might take you a few weeks, but you'll get there. Definitely you'll get there. Alright? So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of adjusting. Don't be afraid of change. And you know what? Look at it as an experience. look at it as an experience where you get to explore and experience 4 seasons. This was something that we never really get in Jamaica. As we say, we have 2 seasons, summer and rainy season. But here you get to experience the 4 seasons. So have you carried this lab?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Yeah, so that's gonna buy something else. Yeah, we're just gonna pick up one document. I think it's a blood test request from Malika, because you don't know she not eat. So periodically we have to do blood tests just to make sure so she's still getting enough nutrients in her body that she needs. So that is something that is awesome. And of course it's covered by Provincial Health, so that's also very, very good. Anyways guys, if you're watching this from another country that you moved to and the weather is different from what you have become accustomed to, share your experience. How did you adjust to it? What made your transition easier? And is there any tips you'd like to share for persons who are afraid, persons who are thinking of making a move, going to a country that they're not used to the weather, right? What tips would you give to them that probably helped you in your transition that you think can help someone else? Share. That's what we're here to do, guys. That's what we're here for, to help each other, to support each other, and to just make each other's journey easier than your own. Yeah, like we've been through it. We didn't know what to expect because we didn't have anyone who was outlining the steps for us, but we are doing it for you guys, so you guys can have an easier journey than we had. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, by the way, guys. Please smash a like on the video, share the videos so that other persons can see the channel, so that subscribers can go up. That's one of our main goals for this year. Don't hesitate to hit that share button, share on our platform, comment, let us know that you're here, let us know what you're thinking, share your thoughts. Where are you watching from, and how did you adjust to a new country if you're moving? And if you have not yet moved, what are you most looking forward to? We could have a conversation in the comment section, man. Go and go check it out. Check out all the links in the description. Big up on yourself. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, a great week, a great year, a great month, a great life. Positive vibration. Remember, the law of attraction is real, guys. You do good will follow you, definitely. If you want it bad enough, or you work for it, towards it, you're gonna get it. It's just facts. Just like gravity, what goes up must comes down, guys. Believe in it. Believe in the law of attraction. Believe in the law of good and evil. Whatever you do, it comes back to you. Big up on yourself. Thank you, guys. See you guys in the next video.